Yep, in this video I'm going to use this free bass plugin TSCBOD on vocals. This is for bass, but come on, let's just try something new. So this is a song. Hey, hey, don't be jealous. EQ'd well, it's compressed well, everything in processing done well, but I just want to do something here, something not normal. Okay, I'm going to bring up auto-tune. So the first thing I'll do, I'll take the voice an octave down. Hear it. Normally you set your key and everything, make sure everything's in order. Key and scale. By using this transpose, take it all the way down, which is an octave down. I don't want auto-tune to pitch correct. I'll take it down. There's delay here. This is a delay and a reverb. Let me take the reverb down. So there's a plugin here, TSC BOD. Let's put it and hear it. So just the default. Let me remove the instrumental. Remove the delay. Okay. Let me add the TSC BOD. I have headphones on. I can hear the difference with the TSC BOD. Okay. Normally I will play this with the instrumental so that I can figure out a nice spot. So I just push the level up a little. 7 point. I'm looking at this place here. 7.2. The drive 7.3. Thereabouts, or 7.2. The low 0.7.5. The high I left it at the middle. The blend I left it. The presence I reduced it a little. This is how it sounds without. Wait. There are various ways to use this. I want to do something. I'll move this down. Down. Okay. I'll move this auto-tune down too. Move it down. Down again. Okay, I'm going to put 50 cent here. First of all, I'll route this to this track. Let me color this red. Sidechain to this track. Then I'll put a 50 cent here. I'm going to put the 50 cent before the auto-tune, so what the 50 cent will send will not be the bass sound from the auto-tune. I'm going to send it to, it's at 9 here. It's labeled 2 here. Somebody was asking why is it 2, because I didn't send it to here. It's the second thing, because this first one is none. So it's the second thing here. If I send it to a delay, it will be 3. I did a video of 50 cent. I'll leave it in the video card. None. So there's nothing there. This is 1. This is 2. Delay is 3. Reverb is 4. If I send it to reverb, it will be 4. Okay, so that is why we have the numbers here. So I'll send it there. This is what will happen. Hey, hey. I'm supposed to have the normal signal here. They have the bass here. That's have the bass sent to this red here. Oh, come on. Let me just do it like this. Okay, let's hear it. Hey, hey, don't be jealous. I'm just going to put 50 balance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the volume of the 50 balance down. The 50 cents comes before the rest of the plugins here. So if I take the 50 balance all the way down, it will just affect this channel. Let me increase the fade up. Let's hear it. Hey, hey, don't be jealous. So it will only affect this insert. It won't affect the one that is sent, because the send comes before this 50 balance. So the way the workflow goes in this FS Studio insert is signal flow to this 50 cent, flows to this auto-tune, before it flows to the TSC BOD, before it flows to this 50 balance from top down. I put the 50 balance so that I can do before and after. So let's hear it without the bass voice. Hey, hey, don't be jealous. You said you don't love me. Wait. Hey, hey, don't be jealous.
don't love me. Suddenly you're flat.
Change only the suddenly you are flat to a bass voice. Okay, let me just separate them to different channels. I'll make this unique. You see this here? You left click it. You come to make unique. This is now on its own, so I can double click it and send it to the bass voice.
Insert.
On the other part, I'll send the other part of the voice to this one. So I want to remove the fruity send because I don't want to send it again.
Hey, hey, don't be jealous.
Okay, let me put a little reverb on the voice and delay, just a little. Listen to it.
You should not hate that. You look so bothered. Hey, hey, don't be jealous.
You get the point there. There was one instant I used the radio voice combined with this bass voice and it came out nice. Maybe I'll show how to do that in a future video, so subscribe, stay around, like this video if you like it, and let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'm El Proto, this is Alloneprostudio. That's it.
You see me smile.